Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see class 11 NCERT chapter number 8 binomial theorem. Binomial theorem for positive integral indicates we'll check. So based on first what is the binomial, so why we are using the binomial theorem. So in the earlier classes we learned how to take squares and cubes, this everything, like we know very well a plus b whole square whole cube, or a minus b whole square whole cube. Based on this we used many things by using the square and cube formula. So how to solve these things, and these things also we learned in the earlier. So here the 98 square we will use 100 minus 2 the whole square, like this formula we will use whole square formula, and here 1000 minus 1 the whole cube. So a minus b whole cube formula we will use. Likewise we solved in the previous classes. Now here suppose the power is going greater than 4 or 5, 6, 12, 13 and 100, likewise it's going. Now how you will simplify? Okay, that is we are going to see. Now see this. So the formula is a plus b whole power 0. Anything power 0 we knows 1, and a plus b whole square in the sense that is we knows very well. What is that? Here 2, first I am giving 1 which is equal to a plus b. Next after that 1 I am giving the power 2 in the sense you know very well, a square b square plus 2ab. Understand? Or we will write the 2ab in middle also. Okay, like this also we will write this formula. And next the cube, a plus b the whole cube in the sense we knows very well, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Next a plus b whole power 4. So up to cube only we saw in the previous section. Now which is equal to how you will write the formula. These things, power 4, power 5, power 10, these things only we will see in the binomial. So we have one shortcut that is given by the Pascal. Actually he is one of the greatest mathematician in the 16th century. Now we will see about that. So listen carefully, one by one I will explain. First the index means the power we are writing, that is okay, index, and here the coefficients means the 3, this 3 coefficient of b 1, this is the coefficients. Here what is that? 1, 2, 1, that is that. Okay, the coefficients we will write here. Now we'll see. First index 0 I'm giving. Now what I'm getting? 1. Anything power 1. So this you need to see. Anything power 0, what we got? 1. So 1 only you will get here. Suppose I'm giving the index is 1, mean what is that? The power I'm giving 1 in the sense I'm getting 2 terms, means coefficient of a 1, b also 1, means here also we are getting 1 and here also we are getting 1. Understand? Now the index, suppose I'm giving 2. Now what I am getting? See this 2 in the sense here already we used a plus b whole square. Now 1 coefficient of a square value 1, that is I'm telling. So 1 we need to give first, and coefficient of what is that? AB value 2, so that's 2 you need to give here, and coefficient of b square, here b square value 1, that is we have to give. Like that we need to move. Understand? And index 3 means power 3 if I am giving, what I am getting? Coefficient of a cube value 1, so here I am getting 1, and a square b coefficient 3, so here I am getting 3, and next also I am getting 3, and coefficient of b cube value 1, like that. Sir, by using that how you will get power 4? Sir, listen carefully my dear students. So this both 1 and this 1, just if you add now we will get this 2. So 1 plus 1 we are getting this 2. Next this 1 and 2 if we add, so what we are getting? This 3. Likewise this 2 and 1 if we add, what we are getting? This 3. Understand? In same manner if you go for 4, index 4 if you want now, just give 4 here. Okay, then we will start from 1 we knows. Then if we add this together, what I am getting? That is 4. Now 3 plus 3 6 I'm getting. 3 plus 1 4 and end with 1 like that. I'll show see the symbol. Okay, 3 plus 1 4 like this. 3 plus 3 I'm getting 6 and 3 plus 1 4 and this 1 I'm getting. Now we can able to write the formula for what is that a plus b whole power 4. What is that? First 1 4 6. Listen carefully. 1 in the sense a power 4. Next what we got it 4. Okay, 4 in the sense just 4 you can give and a b. So what you will give the power 4, how you can able to write 1 plus 3 2 plus 2 like that. You have to check here highest power 4 na, the 4 we can able to write 1 plus 3 and 3 plus 1, next 2 plus 2, that's it. Okay, only the plus, not subtraction. Based on that we need to write. Okay, so here what is that? I'm going to give 1 plus 3 or 3 plus 1, anyone you can use. 3 1 if you are giving na a cube b power 1. Okay, plus next what we got it 6 in the sense 6 this 2 2 like that. You have to give a square and b square plus next also what we got it 4. Okay, 4 in the sense same 4. I used this 3 plus 1. Next what we have 1 plus 3 means a power 1 b power 3. Okay, and finally what we have 1, last we have 1. So this 1 in the sense b power 4. Like that we can able to write for all the power. Even if what is the a plus b whole power 5 also we can able to write 5. How you will write? Just see, if you are giving 5 in the here 1, so 1 plus 4 5, 4 plus 4 plus 6 10 and this also 10 and 4 plus 1 5 and last one. So this also by going the triangle form only like this is. See, I hope you will understand this. Like that we can able to write all the powers. Understand? So if you are going here, sir, how you will write, sir? See, 5 in the sense the power, how you will write 1 plus 4. Understand? And 3 plus 2 and 2 plus 3, 1 plus 4 now, finally 4 plus 1. Like that you have to complete. Okay, so here a power 5 and here 5 this anyone you can use, a power 3 b power 2. Understand? And next one what is that? This one 10 in the sense a power 1 b power 4. Understand? And next we have this b power what is that? A power 4 b power 1. And finally from this anyone you can use. Like that you need to go one by one. Okay, now based on this formula only we need to go, sir. We don't have any other shortcut like that, na? Yes, we have the shortcut. That name is Boscal triangle. Yes, so the Boscal triangle formula we have to write NCR, which is equal to, that is n factorial. This symbol is called factorial. Whole divide r factorial into n minus r factorial. Here the r value is there, na? 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n. Okay, like that only they will give the n value, sorry, r value, and the n is definitely is a positive value always. Okay, and here I will write n is positive value or a non-negative value, non-negative integer or positive integer, like that you can write. Okay, and you have to see one value when you substitute the r value, n value. Listen carefully, this is very important. N C naught, when you substitute r equal to 0, definitely it is always equal to 1. Whatever here suppose 1 2 1000 whatever is there here, C naught in the sense you have to give 1 directly. At the same time n C n means the Cn before means the n value and r value both are same in the sense that is also 1. Suppose 0 0 equal to 1, 1 1 equal to 1, 2 2 equal to 1. So these things you have to follow, very important. Okay, and remaining things also I will tell you, just listen carefully. And here also you have to divide first index means what we are giving that, and here the coefficient. Okay, suppose I'm giving 0, means the n value is 0. If I am giving now, you will get 0 C 0, both are equal to 0 I'm giving. For this, what you will get answer now, it will get equal to 1, because both are same. I said already equal to 1. Suppose I'm giving 1 in the sense, see first term 1 C naught, next term what is that, 1 C 1, here 0 1, I mean the R only, n will not change, that is constant. So here 1 is same, here we have to give 0 1 2 3 like this it will go. But here 1 in the sense, when you are getting 1 up to, you need to continue this. So for what this, you will get value C naught in the sense I said 1, at the same time both are same, this is also equal to 1. Like that you have to go one by one. Suppose I am giving 2 now, listen carefully. First 2C naught, 2C1, 2C2, like that you have to go one by one, understand? So here 2 in the sense, up to you, what is that, you need to give C2, that is very important. So here we have C0, definitely it is equal to 1, but here we have 2C1. Now I will explain how to, what is that, giving that 2C1 in the sense, that formula we need to use. Which formula, I'll tell you. And this formula we have to use. Okay, here n value is 2, then 2 factorial whole divided, r value is 1, so 1 factorial into 2 minus 1 factorial. Factorial in the sense 2 factorial now we have to write 2 into 1 until you, what is that, 1 you have to write. Suppose 3 factorial in the sense 3 into 2 into 1. Suppose 10 factorial now you need to write 10 into 9 into up to 2 into 1, like that you need to write, understand? And 1 factorial in the sense answer 1, directly 1, and 0 factorial in the sense that is also 1. For both array you will get the same answer. For this we have a long proof actually, we will see inside these things. Now we will go for a 2 factorial. 2 factorial in the sense, what is that, 2 into 1 which is equal to 2. So directly I am writing 2, understand? 1 factorial also answer 1, so 1 I am giving. 2 minus 1 1 factorial. So 1 factorial also I said now only 1, so 1. So 2 1 ones are 1, which is equal to 2. So 2 is the answer. Then 2C1 in the sense 2 we are getting, understand? So simply I am telling this, listen carefully. 2C1, if we have here 1 na, what we have here, that is you will get 2C1 na, that is 2. Suppose 1000 C1 na, you will get 1000. C1 in the sense what we have, that value we can give simply, understand? Okay, now here we will go. So 2C1 in the sense we are getting equal to 2. So this together same, so equal to 1. So like that we will go for the long process. So 3 in the sense, first 3C naught, 3C1, 3C2 and 3C3, like that we have to go. So this we know simply 1, and this also we know simply 1, and here also 1 in the sense I said what we have here, that's you can give, and 3C2 we have to simplify. Okay, so the formula, okay, 3C2 formula we know very well. What is that? N factorial. N factorial na 3n factorial, and r factorial 2 factorial, 3 minus 2 factorial. 3 factorial in the sense 3 into 2 into 1 2 factorial na 2 into 1, 3 minus 2 1 means 1 factorial. 1 factorial in the sense 1 only. So this together cancel, we are getting here 3. So 3 is the answer, we are getting 3C2. Okay, for this also we are getting 3. So sometime you will get the same. Okay, but see, likewise only you have to go the process. So we will go for index form, so it may continue the long things. So based on this we have the big theorem, okay, that I will tell you. Now we will go for a plus b and a minus b like this. So a plus b, suppose the power 3 if I am getting now, how you will get? First these things you need to write 3C naught, I am giving space, and 3C1 space, and 3C2 space, 3C3. Now we need to write here AB and AB and AB. So how you will give the power how you will give, that is very important here. So this together you need to separate. 3 minus 0 3, so 3 you need to give for a, the 0 you have to give. So what we have the C, what is that, this R value we need to give for a second number. So a C power C1 in the sense B power 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, like that you have to give. This 2 will go for a second term, 3 minus 2 is 1, understand. Now here see this power will go for a B, 3 minus 3 0, anything for 0 1. So here what is that, 1 you will get, here 1 you will get, like that we have to go for all the things, understand. So likewise for general term, suppose a plus b whole for n I have, then how you will write, that is the concept, understand. Now see first here n we have, so that n c naught, next n c1, okay, and next n c2 up to dot it will continue the long process, plus n c n minus 1. So we have 3 now, up to 3 we are continuing, up to 3 we are continuing. So here n is there now, up to n we need to continue. So space I am giving, so n c n, like that we have to continue. Now we need to write the AB power. So here A and B I am writing, and this is A and B I am writing. So here I forgot to write A and B I am writing, then only plus it will continue. And here also A and B, and here also A and B. Now we need to write the power. So power how you will write, listen carefully, okay. Now I am using different color for this, listen. So see what we have, that we need to write that is for B. Now you need to separate n minus 0 na n, a power n you will get here, a power n, understand. And this power will come for a second number B, n minus 1. We need to separate this together, n minus 1. So n minus 1 we are getting, understand. Likewise here this power will go for a B, n minus 2. We are getting a power n minus 2, understand. Likewise this power will go for a B, means B power n minus 1. If we subtract this together, listen carefully, I will show in the therefore. So n minus, so I am writing here n minus of this n minus 1. So I am writing this minus, if you multiple inside now, minus n, minus into minus plus, this together cancel, then we are getting 1. So after subtract this together we are getting 1, understand. Now listen this power I am writing for B, n minus n 0. So this is the formula by using a Pascal triangle for our index n, understand. This is very important, you have to remember this. For this we have long proof also, that I will show in the next video. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for getting more videos and press the bell icon for getting notification.